In a bustling city, people began sneezing uncontrollably. It was said that a mysterious force was behind it, targeting those who harbored secrets. Each sneeze seemed to reveal hidden truths, causing chaos among friends and families. A young woman, curious about the phenomenon, discovered an ancient book in a dusty library. It spoke of a mystical sneeze that could cleanse the soul by expelling lies and deceit. Determined to uncover the truth, she sneezed deliberately, only to find herself transported to a realm where honesty reigned supreme. There she learned that sneezing was nature's way of purifying the heart. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.